Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 1200 watt 1 liter gooseneck electric tea kettle. Alright, so right here we have our electric tea kettle. You can see that it brews up to 1 liter. It's a 1200 watt. It's got a touch display and it's got the kettle here at the top. So this is a super large 1000 milliliters of water, which you can brew about 4 to 5 cups of coffee at a time. So when you're done brewing your coffee, you put the kettle back on the base. Within 30 minutes, the memory function will remain unchanged. It will also has automatic power off and dry burn protection, fast boiling, and it's quiet heating. The 1200 electric gooseneck tea kettle boils your water within just 3 minutes. It has a powerful heating system, but it's quiet while it's working. It's got a 70% more efficient than any traditional stovetop kettles have, and it's a lot safer. It has an auto shut off, which features a ready tone that beeps when your water is ready. It notes that the kettle is very hot, so you'd have to be careful. So inside this box it shows you how to use it, how the digital display works. So this is a food grade stainless steel that is materials, which is great to make coffee. The interior of this gooseneck electric kettle is completely made of 100% food grade stainless steel to ensure the purest water taste. The food grade insulating stainless steel makes gooseneck kettling durable and easy to clean. So here is the top, and it does have a few little holes here just to let off some of the steam. This is super easy to clean. So here is the base with the power plug. So this is a standard 110 with a ground. So this is what the base looks like. Right here there is where you put the tea kettle on. You've got your temperature, and you also got your power button. So that's what the base looks like. So now we're going to take out the kettle itself. So it's super nice looking. It's got a black matte finish to it. You can see on the inside it is a nice stainless steel. It's got a nice little handle. You don't have to worry about burning your hand. The gooseneck electric kettle has a precise temperature control. Can be performed between the brewing of 45 Celsius to 100 Celsius or 113 Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. So that way your water stays nice and hot. And this does come with a little cover on it when you first take it out. So you can see that it's got a matte finish. It's super nice. So it does have a 24-hour thermal insulation effect, so you need to set the normal insulation time by yourself. It generally defeats of 8 hours thermal insulation. It's got a unique timer function. The gooseneck coffee kettle is designed for a unique timer function. When it is hot, the kettle is lifted off the boiling. The screen will start timing. It is a convenient way to control and time the process of brewing your coffees, teas, or whatever you need to use it. So I'm going to brew some warm water just because my son wants a cup of soup. So I'm just going to fill this up. So it does have a line on here to the full mark, and you just put it on right here on the base. You just turn the power button. This is the display. So now I'm going to plug it in. So right now it says off. So you got your temperature control right there. You have your off and on switch. So it does change the temperature. You have a little touchscreen right here to change the temperature. So what I'm going to do is turn it on, and then we can go ahead and see it count down to when it's completely boiled. So when you take it off, you'll get an error message once the power is turned on. See, it says error 1, just letting you know that the kettle is not on the base. So now I'm going to add water to it, which I have done right here. I didn't put too much in there. I just put enough to boil it. So it says 212 Fahrenheit, and now it's counting. So as you can see, it says 84. As soon as it starts to boil, these numbers will go up all the way up to 212 because I set it at 212. So now it's at 86 Fahrenheit. And then you can see in the cup itself, you can see it's starting to bubble a bit. So it doesn't take that much to start boiling this. It is said that at 3 minutes this would be completely fully boiled. So this knob right here turns left and right. So you go left to lower it, you go right to higher it up. So you got 209, 10, and 12. And then if you want to turn it down, you just turn the knob to the left. So right now it's saying that it is at 104 and it's going up. So once it starts boiling a lot, it will go all the way up. So you can see the bubbles here at the bottom. That's just letting you see that it is boiling. Now you can see it's already at 205 and it's boiling in the back. So it'll stop and beep once it hits the 212 Fahrenheit. So we're at 208, 209, 210. So once we hit 212, we'll go ahead and take it off and put the top on and pour it into my son's noodles. So now we reached 212. I did put the top on so it won't leak. So my son likes a cup of noodles. So this is a great thing because it only takes 3 minutes to heat up this water. So now I'm pouring it in his noodles. He loves it. In fact, that he loves it so much that it doesn't take much time to heat up the water. And once you're done using your water, you just put it down here. If you're looking for a nice electric tea kettle that doesn't take super long to boil up, I would highly recommend checking this one out.